How to use Google Authenticator app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you to use Google Authenticator app. So without much ado, let's dive right into the video. First, open Play Store or App Store on your device and install and download Google Authenticator app on your device. Tap on the open button at top right corner of the screen to get access to the official homepage of Google Authenticator application. Here, tap on Get Started to have a stronger security with Google Authenticator. So continue tapping on it and then select your Google account with the help of which you want to continue to the Google Authenticator application. Once you have selected, tap on the Continue as Date button, or you can also use Google Authenticator without an account. So once you tap on it, you will proceed towards the other steps. Here you can add a code or change the account as well. When you tap on the three line at top left corner of the screen, you will get the variety of options that says Authenticator codes, how it works, view in dark mode, transfer account settings, help and feedback. So here are different kinds of options which can be useful on different kinds of moments. For now, tap on Add a Code button. Here you have got two options to set up your first account, that is scan a QR code or enter a setup key. So let's try with enter a setup key. Here you have to enter your account detail, that is your account name, your key and type of key, which can be under time based or counter based. Once you have entered all your account detail, you can tap on add button, or you can also scan a QR code button, and you need to allow Authenticator to take pictures and record video. So tap on while using the app, and here you need to place the QR code within the yellow lines. Once you have done that, you can easily use Google Authenticator app. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.